Hey guys, so welcome back to the 180-day challenge. Now this is where I'm actually building a real business online, kind of in front of you, right? Warts and all, mistakes, kind of things that I get wrong, things that I get right, and showing you little bit by little how I'm building up this business. Now, the reason I'm doing this is because I know a lot of you are coming online and you're seeing a lot of kind of things around software that's promising you that you can click 3 buttons and earn a lot of money. And you're going to buy into this stuff and you're going to spend a lot of money and you're going to get nowhere, right? I'll tell you that straight because I did it myself. And over time, as I've done this longer and longer, I've seen hundreds and hundreds, if not thousands of people that have wasted a lot of money online trying to buy this absolute rubbish, right? Now, what I'm doing is I'm showing you a real way of building a real business online. So if you want to follow this playlist, go back to the first video and watch the playlist through, and you'll start to see how I've gone from actually having no idea what I'm going to do to creating a niche and then figuring out how to build a website, figuring out how to build a YouTube channel to generate traffic, and then I'm starting to grow that over time. Now, this process is not quick. The idea of this is that you're building a real business, not some push button thing. Now, if you think about this in the real world, outside of the internet, if I was to want to open a shop straight away, somewhere, I would have to do lots and lots of months and months of preparation to get that shop actually generating a profit. Most businesses aren't generating a profit till year 2, year 3. The great thing about being on the internet is you can generate a profit very, very quickly, especially kind of in the affiliate marketing niche where it takes time to grow an audience, which is what you need. But once you do grow an audience, you can generate a lot of money through that audience by being a really good person online, right? And having a good reputation. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm building an affiliate marketing business and it's around the software niche. So what I'm trying to do is look at business orientated software. So software that actually works. And I'm going to look at that and give people reviews on that software. And if they want to buy, they buy. Now in this week, excitingly enough, I've actually got my first sale off a newly created website, which is not something I'll focus on. The money is not something I'm going to focus on straight away, which is going to be hard for a lot of you to hear because you want to get money straight away. But you need to focus on building that business and the foundation and the content and then figuring out how you're going to put that content on there on a regular basis, which is still the kind of area I'm in now, so that I can kind of populate and get traffic over to my offers very, very quickly. It takes time to do that. Now, as you know, I got my own website here, School of Nomads, my original website, about 9,000 subscribers. I'm actually posting less on this than I've ever done. I'm going to have to start posting more back on this website again to get this generated because this new venture has distracted me slightly. So there'll be more on this website to come. But basically, this is actually a YouTube channel that promotes all sorts of different things. But it actually promotes the original training that I used to create this business online, which is taking action online. Now, this action plan, I've gone through this lots of times in videos. This action plan actually teaches you step by step how to go from absolutely no idea what you're doing to building a real business online. And it's actually only $1 at the moment, and you can get full access to this just for $1, right? So if you want to go ahead and do that, there will be a link in the description below. Go and click through that and just grab this for $1 and start working through it. Don't grab it if you want something quick. If you want something quick and you're not willing to put in the hours, do not buy this. It's pointless. If you are willing to put in the hours and you want to learn a real method, and the real way you build a business online, which is building a website, building a traffic source, building content, actually serving the people that are going to purchase off you, then go ahead and grab this, okay? If you want something quick, please don't. Now, what I've been doing over the time, and again, go back and look at the playlist if you want to catch up, is I created this website called Biz Software Reviews. And Biz Software Reviews has now got a few blog posts on it. Now, the idea is that I'm going to start doing blog posts and I'll also do a YouTube channel, right? Now, blog posts is something I haven't done before, so it's taken a while to kind of get up to speed on how to write these, what ranks, what doesn't rank, and also fight the kind of internal emotions around writing something that's not going to rank immediately on Google. In YouTube, it's a damn sight easier to rank, trust me. You put a video on there, and most of the time, if there's not that much competition, you'll see it on the first page of Google. In this world, it takes a bit longer to establish yourself and for Google to get used to what your blog's about and then to start ranking. So I've got a couple of reviews on here already. This missing letter, this ClickUp review, and I've got this TidyCal. Now, excitingly enough, this TidyCal review, which is only a blog post at the moment, has actually had a sale. If I go onto my affiliate website here, you can see here £22, which is, it was about £45 in all. is my commission for this sale, and it's coming off this software, this site here, Biz Software Reviews. So this is kind of my first sale on my business, right? Not something I'm going to focus on at the moment. It's not going to change my life, but the idea is that it's showing me that it works. It's showing me that I can give blog posts that will rank on Google, and if people are interested in that product or service, you are going to get sales. Now, over time, 6 months' time, 9 months' time, when I've got 50, 60, 70 blog posts on there, all attached to products that people might want to find, I'm going to get lots of sales, right? So this just proves it works. The other thing I've done is I've started another YouTube channel. This is Biz Software Reviews. The idea is this is going to have videos. Now, what I'm going to do at some point is going to connect the two together. So I'll have videos on the actual blog posts as well as have these as my traffic source to the blog post. So they're going to kind of work together. So I've been developing this. I've got a couple of reviews on it at the moment. I did this one the other day for SKYPE. Only 3 views at the moment. Again, don't care. It's all about me kind of figuring out how to do the videos on this channel as well. Because on this one, to show you how easy it is, I don't want to show my face at all. I basically just want to put the videos on there and see what they do. SKYPE actually is really cool. I think I might do an actual blog post on that as well. And I might review that on my main channel because it's something that you can go to Quora and find the best questions to answer. Really, really cool. So anyway, the idea is that I'm going to start building up both of these sites. So over time, more and more content will be coming on this site. So that's really what it's about for me at the moment. It's about building up the actual foundations of my business with content, figuring out my own routine for posting on here, and then we can see how it builds over time. So that's where I am at the moment. Got my first sale. That's really exciting. But at the end of the day, it's all about me establishing that foundation. If you're interested in doing this yourself, you could always leave a comment below. Just ask me what I'm doing and how you actually can start doing this yourself. Only if you're serious, please. And basically subscribe to this playlist because over time I'm going to be learning loads of things. I'm just a normal guy, so you can kind of follow along and see some of the issues that I have and some of the successes I have, because I want to prove to you that whoever you are, whatever your niche is, you can build a real business online, and over time that can grow into something really cool. All right? If you want to go ahead and grab the action plan, you'll see the link in the description below. Just go and grab that. Until next time, guys, take care.